Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to open a pack on the Golf Blitz application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then go to the home page by tapping on the button in the middle down below, and then click on this classic pack icon in the left side of the screen. Tap on this unlock now green button. Here you should tap on the yes button if you want to unlock it. So here is your pack. And if you tap on it, it will be unlocked. And here you can see what it contains. Tap on the this card, and here you can see what you have got. Tap on the OK button, and as you can see, the surprises have been added to those sections at the top of the screen. Now you should choose your club, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.